Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone power of setting guys, and today friends I will show you guys how to power off Realme phone. Friends, you want to power off your Realme phone, so guys you can power off, and today friends I will show you a shortcut and a secret setting. Then friends you can power off your phone without press and click any button on your phone. So friends, we will not click as any volume and power up button to power up our Realme phone. So first of all, you will have to on one application on your phone. So you will have to on first your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, scroll it. Additional setting is on. After an additional setting, friends, you can see language setting. You can change guys your phone language. You can change guys your duration time from here. Accessibility setting, and friends you can see schedule power on and power off. Friends, you want to schedule your power off and power on time, so you can schedule from here start time and end time. So guys we will click on accessibility. After accessibility, friends you can see talk back, select to speak, magnification, color correction setting. So friends scroll it. Friends you will find here accessibility menu. Friends tap here and tap here friends, and okay. And friends come back. Friends you can see this icon you're screen at this man icon. Friends tap here. As you can see accessibility setting, volume down, volume up setting. So when you want to decrease volume, you want to increase volume, you can increase and you can decrease from here. Same setting with brightness, you can decrease brightness fans, and fans you can increase brightness from here. Friends, you can see recent tab and lock screen. Friends, you want to lock your screen, you can lock a screen. Friends, you can take a screenshot also. Friends, tap here, and friends, you can take a screenshot with this shortcut setting. So when tap here, friends, you can see power off setting. Friends, tap here. Friends, you want to power off guys. Downside guys, you can power off, and friends, you want to restart. So guys, you can restart from here guys. Without press any button guys, your phone will power off from here guys. Twice swipe here, and guys your phone will power off. Yes, I don't want to power off. You want to power off, friends, you can power off. So like the way we can power off our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys.